Here's Paige riding her horse. She's going straight into action. Hello.
Smack that ass.
Oops.
Get it, shouty, get it, shouty.
She's not calling you a hoe, she's calling the horse a hoe. No, I'm just playing. It's the way to get them to stop.
No, see, she was talking to me because I'm the hoe.
She switched sides.
The horse is gonna die. The horse looks like it's got rabies. Oh shit. Paige, your horse has rabies. Yeah! Hell yeah! The only way to breed them.
Mom, let's stop before my grandma comes out and sees you. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye.